Hi, Bill here. I just wanted to share with you the Home Business Academy, of which I am an affiliate, has made some major upgrades to its entire system, and I'd like to share a few of them with you. These changes aren't cosmetic. They're building your business easier, faster, and more profitable. So if you're a member, this is really pretty cool. So let's dive in. First, the whole website's been overhauled. There's been a big change from the fact that we used to have 7 logins, and they've condensed that down to 2. And they actually have moved one of their products, Let's Go, that was a separate website, onto the system too. So everything is in one spot and it's easy to use. Let me take you through Let's Go. Let's Go is the top button up here on the left. All the products are button. The Let's Go, the Funnel Builder Academy, Premium Financial Literacy Academy, your affiliate links, live coaching, and Freedom Fest, which is our annual get-together where this was just presented, is all on this top line, if you see my marker here. And along the side is the one we're on, Let's Go, and it'll take you through the different things on that. So the first thing you do, your morning routine is set up so that you just click on the button and it'll take you to the gratitudes, and then you can go back and forth to your stretching. It tells you to stretch, it tells you how to meditate and pray. On those items, though, they're changed so that they're upgraded so it's better for giving you timings on the reading part of it, on your exercise part, and on the gratitudes. It's just really cool. Also, you can take notes now. This is the notes page. You can archive your notes are on the side. Also, for the journal is the same thing. They're archived on there. But if you're also in the other products and you're going through a training video, the notes from this app are now on that so that you can take notes as you watch a video. And so you have them all in one spot. Also, it goes to quotes. This is a quote I made. Let's Go has a bunch of quotes. You can go to the settings where you can look only at your quotes, Let's Go quotes, or an alternate between both. So you can have them set up how you wanted them to pop up at the beginning when you open it up. Your gratitude, you write down what you're grateful for the day and then save it. There's a social media aspect to it that's throughout so that people can see and encourage people as you go. And as people get commissions, that on the side to let people know that you've earned a commission, or that you've bought a product, or that you are part of our community. So that's really pretty cool. And then there's store, and here's the settings. So you can set up your settings for your whole system. Push notifications, landing preference, morning routines. You can change those, move them around, and actually uncheck those that you don't use all the time, and then you can save them. So that's pretty cool too. It's changed. Your family members the Let's Go is a product that your family members can be part of and be on there, up to 7 people, multiple income streams, so that if you're an affiliate with other products that we recommend, you can include your affiliate link here so that when you get a new customer, all of those links are cookied to you so that you get the commissions right from them right away. And so that's a really cool thing to increase your profitability. Prompt write AI settings, and then push notification settings. Then you can go back. Let's go back to, I want to take you back to the home page. Here we go. And that'll take you to, let's see. Oh, here. I have to scroll back down. I got to remember that. Home page back to here to Let's Go. Now let's look at the funnel builder. See, you got the videos. You can, again, your social media connection for our community. You have Sage AI assistance, which will help you setting up your tone and your affiliate community, who you're targeting, and then you can get them to help you with hooks and all those kinds of things that you want to go for your content. It's got the Freedom Crusaders Manifesto. The daily live equipment are linked on this page too. I think they're linked on probably every page. If you have any questions, you can put them down, and those actually are the ones that go right to be answered on our Zoom meetings. So it's pretty cool. Then you have your start here, setup. You can go down here. It tells you what you need to go through, and you can click on those, and each one, it takes you to the video you need to go to. And then live coaching again, and done for you funnels at the end. So it's really pretty cool on that. That's the Funnel Builders Academy. And then we go to our premium product. Same thing. Along the side are all the different things of telling you how to get ready, get traffic paid, get sales, how to convert, live masterminds, and bonus trainings, all on that thing. So then we go to the financial literacy thing. One thing that's been included on this one is a new thing called, let me see if I can find it. It's I can't tell, I think it's down at the bottom, to tell you the truth. No, it's not. But it's a calculator that'll help you tell you how you put in all your debts, and then it'll help you figure out, here it is, maybe that's it, financial tools, the Bank Beater Pro, and it's a calculator to help you figure out the fastest way to get out of debt. So if you have, say you have $5,000 in debt on a debit card, and you have it's 18% interest, and your minimum payment is $150, but if you made another $150 a month, so say you did that, so then it clicks on that, and you can go to this, and let's go to, let's go back to this. This is the 150. So 150 is the minimum, and you're going to put another $200 on it. So calculate the debt payoff plan, and it tells you that right over here. 2 years, 7 months, and you'll save. It tells you what your potential savings and interest saved on that, and it's pretty neat little calculator, and it'll help you get out of debt, and it's very good tool to be using. So then this goes to the affiliate links, and then it's got over here on the side your affiliate fast start. You go down through this, and it'll help you get going right away when you first thing. New members, it's welcome, and we have a new members session every Saturday, and this Saturday is actually going to explain this new thing. So the income calculator, your monthly residual income. So you want to make $3,000 a month. This is going to tell you how many customers you have to have and what you need to do. The affiliate training, then it looks at your business, and this is what's really good. You got your links are then set up so that they have your name at the end of them, and that's called a cute link or something like that. And you can copy all the links that we have in this system, and there's more down here, and it keeps going, and you can use these to set up your capture pages and your thank you pages and your sales pages. And so that's, I think, very cool. And it also tells you how many customers you have, commissions you have, all those types of things. So then this page goes to life coaching, and it'll tell you, you can just click on this, and it'll give you the replays, the archives, gives you links to and you can just click on here to get access to them and go there quickly. And so this is all really pretty cool. And the last thing is Freedom Fest, and Freedom Fest is what our annual get-together, but if you can't go in person, we have a virtual way to go. So if you buy a ticket and you stay home, you can actually see it on your computer. And a lot of times they show almost every event is sometime, and they'll contact you to let you know when they're live. And all the money from that goes to our ministry that we support called Feed My Starving Children. And it's pretty cool. And we've donated over almost 1,000 days of meals to Feed My Starving Children. And so I just wanted to share that with you. We're going to have another walkthrough on this Saturday, which will be the 27th of September, 2025. It may be old by the time you see it, but the replay will be available. So if you want to see that, let me know. And if you want to know more about our company, more about what we're doing, and look at the features of it up close and personal, I would be very happy to go walk you through it. So contact me. I'll put my links at the bottom of this videos. I just want to share this, and have a great day.